take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Good morning everyone. Welcome to the Husky channel. In this video we have a screenshot of basically what I see when I'm flying my DJI Spark. The quality of the image is only 480p, I think, so it's only standard definition because I'm using the free version of Record It, which is the app Record It, and I'm just testing it out to see if it's worth buying the pro version, which is only a few dollars, but I might buy it pretty soon if this works okay. I'm actually recording my voice over it at the moment because silly me forgot to turn the mic on when I launched the app and flew the drone. Now I'm flying, as you can see, near a shopping centre called Northlands in the northern suburbs of Melbourne, so it's a fairly large shopping centre, and I didn't want to fly directly over it because a lot of metal, you get a lot of interference. And I thought I'd try this Record It screenshot app and see how it works. So it works okay, but the quality obviously of the video is very, very low because it's only the free version, which I'm trying at the moment. And I launched from that park directly below there, as you can see that park, so I'm not flying too far. And at some stage through this video I did put it into sports mode, and you can see it would actually goes a lot quicker, but yeah, so I thought I'd just give it a bit of a run and see how it works. And this was actually filmed yesterday, being Thursday, oh, I'm not sure what the date was, 4th or the 5th of November on Thursday, and it was a partly cloudy and partly sunny day, so a bit of sun, a bit of cloud, but there was a bit of a breeze out, and you can't really tell. But once I put the drone into sports mode, there you go, I'm turning around. They're actually resurfacing the stadium there, which is the old Heidelberg Soccer Club, and that team plays now in the Victorian. They used to be in the National Soccer League, and now they're in the Victorian League, I think, or Victorian Premier League. I'm not sure what they actually call themselves now. They're not in the first tier teams. There you go. I'm actually in sports mode now, and it looks like I'm going sideways. But when you're in sports mode, it turns very violently. But when I edit the videos, I cut all that out so you don't see the drone swinging from left to right like it's an aeroplane. But there you go, so it's doing it again at sports mode. You can see up the top of the screen there's a little red icon. Basically when I turn it into sports mode, that goes red, and when I turn it into normal mode, that little icon up the top there in the top right hand corner, a couple of icons next to the battery level, that turns back to white, I think, from memory. You'll see it any minute now, so it's still in sports mode, still going fast, and eventually I take it out of sports mode. I'm just having a bit of fun here, just flying around in circles, just to see how this app is working. I saw it on one of my other subscribers, Adrian Mateo Drones, and hello Adrian if you're watching. And there you go, the icon's gone back to white, so now it's in normal flight mode or normal speed. So it was in sports mode, and as you can see there, it's sort of sunny, sort of cloudy. You can see on the buildings there in front of the shopping centre. But I won't go on too long because this video goes for about 12 minutes, and I'm sure you guys don't want to see me flying around like an idiot for 12 minutes, unless there's something to see, of course. But it was just a good little test run to see how the app works, and I might upgrade to the pro version, and hopefully I can screen record in better video quality as well, because this recording is very basic in 480p, and the video quality probably won't be all the best on YouTube when it's uploaded on YouTube. But anyway, if you like the view, this is exactly what I see when I fly my drone on my phone. So if you like the view, like the video, please like and share and subscribe it. Hit the bell icon to get notifications, and yeah, by all means subscribe. Thank you for watching, and have a great day. Cheers. Thank you.